Hello guys, it's Glenn from Sydney CBD Repair Center, and today we have an Oppo Find X2 Neo with a very loose charging port and it's not working as well. So we are attempted to attach our known working charger into the Type-C port and it's really loose, not making any contact with the main board, so it's not registering as charging. And this Oppo doesn't have wireless charging, so it's stuck with the Type-C port, which is not cooperating with us. So it's urgent that this one gets fixed because A, it's slow to charge. You need to wiggle your way around the charger, and that's not gonna be convenient for daily use. And B, it's really hard to trust a faulty charging port. It's gonna cause some catastrophe